Hey everyone, this is Abbas from Tech Radar, and we have a very short video for you today. Now, I have the Sony ZV-1 camera with me, and what we're doing today is just testing how quickly it autofocuses on different objects, as well as testing the mic capabilities of it. So what we have right now is the Sony is actually recording me, as you see right now, and then we've got a camera behind the Sony recording the Sony screen in case we need to use that for different purposes. So obviously, let's see how good the voice test is. I'm not sure if you can hear me clearly or not. If you can, works great. If you can't, then I guess we'll still need to use external cameras on there. I'm going to start pointing different objects at the camera right now, so just to test how fast it can, focus on them and then back at me. So let's get started. Let's get started with the iPhone. Let me just kind of do that a little bit. Okay. Hopefully that was fast enough. Now let's move on to the OnePlus 8 Pro in this beautiful blue color. So there we go, and then back to me. And then back to the phone, and then back to me, and then one last time back to the phone, and then back to me. I've got a couple of other objects as well. There's a very small figurine I have with me. Let's see how this one goes. I'm going to move my hand a little bit forward. So that, and then if I go back over here, and then if I move this back over here, and then I come back. I'm not sure. Let's see if the autofocus is fast enough for it to sort of look into that or not. And then finally, the last thing I have is this beautiful joystick in a crystal. Glass reflects a lot, so let's see if I can show this across to you. How does that work on there? And then back to me, and then let's try focusing on the joystick. Back to me, and then the last time focusing on the joystick, and then back to me. Now, I don't know how this looks. I'm obviously going to find out after I've looked at the recording. So let's hope that the Sony ZV-1 is as fast as I'm hoping it to be. This is Abbas from Tech Radar signing out, and stay tuned to Tech Radar for everything in the world.